Hisense electric range, cleaning the glass cooktop surface. This video is for educational purposes only and does not promote one brand of cleaner product over the other. Use only non-abrasive cleaning products to prevent scratches and damage to the range. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions and safety precautions on the cleaning product label. To protect your hands and eyes from irritation or injury, wear kitchen gloves and eye protective gear when cleaning the glass cooktop surface or any other part of the range. Avoid using the following cleaners on your glass cooktop surface to prevent scratches and other damage. Glass cooktops on electric ranges can accumulate grease, grime, and bake on food and water stains over time, requiring a thorough cleaning. To prevent permanent damage to the glass surface of your cooktop, it's crucial to remove sugary food residue as soon as possible, ideally before the cooktop cools completely. Sugary spills that caramelize or burn onto the glass cooktop surface can be difficult or even impossible to remove without harming the glass. It is recommended to clean the range thoroughly after each use. Before cleaning the glass cooktop surface, confirm the hot surface indicator light has turned off to avoid personal injury or product damage. Here are several methods you can use to clean and help remove tough stains from your glass cooktop surface. Method 1. DIY Household Cleaner. Take a moment to see what items you'll need to make the following cleaning solution. For stubborn, baked-on food, use a glass cooktop scraper first. Angle the scraper blade to 45 degrees and apply firm, even pressure as you glide it forward. Wipe away the debris with a damp, lint-free microfiber cloth, scour pad, sponge, or paper towels. Sprinkle baking soda evenly over the glass cooktop. Cut a lemon in half and use it to scrub the baking soda onto the glass cooktop in a circular motion. Pour vinegar into a spray bottle and saturate the glass cooktop. Wipe away the residue with a damp, lint-free microfiber cloth, scour pad, sponge, or paper towels. Another tip for stubborn stains: saturate lint-free paper towels with vinegar and lay them on the baking soda-covered cooktop for a couple of hours. This allows the vinegar to have extra time to penetrate and loosen grime. Then, wipe clean until dry. Method 2. Soap and water. To clean the glass cooktop surface, apply dish soap either directly as a foam or to a fresh, damp, lint-free microfiber cloth, paper towel, scour pad, or sponge. Scrub the cooktop in a circular motion, similar to the method used with baking soda. Rinse the lint-free microfiber cloth or scour pad with warm water and squeeze it dry. Wipe away the residue. Repeat this process until the glass cooktop surface is clean and dry. Method 3. Cooktop Cleaners. A variety of glass cooktop surface cleaners are available for purchase at most home improvement stores or large grocery retailers. The choice between cleaning products may depend on the types of food you cook most often and how frequently you use the cooktop. Consider experimenting with each product to find the one that best suits your needs. For this example, this product will be used. Apply either directly to the glass cooktop surface or place a small amount onto a paper towel, scour pad, or sponge. Scrub the cooktop in a circular motion, similar to the method used with the baking soda. Then wipe dry. Caution: make sure there is no residue left over from the cleaner and never use or mix bleach with any of these products. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions and safety precautions on the cleaning product label. Method 4. Cleaning paste. Similar to the aforementioned cleaning methods, cleaning paste can also be a suitable option for glass cooktop surfaces. Apply a small amount to a lint-free microfiber cloth, scour pad, sponge, or paper towel. Gently scrub the cooktop in a circular motion, similar to the method used with the baking soda and cooktop cleaner. Be careful to not apply too much pressure, as this product could result in scratched surfaces. Wipe away using warm water until the glass cooktop surface is clean and dry. Bonus tip: for a streak-free shine, dampen a fresh, lint-free microfiber cloth with a small amount of 91% isopropyl alcohol and wipe the glass cooktop surface. To keep your Hisense range looking its best, follow these cleaning recommendations.